WUBEN G5, you can charge this up with a USB-C, which it comes with. It's got a unique top on the top here where this is where the light comes out, right? You can adjust it. As you can see, I'm gonna turn it on. Oh, click the button. Sorry, I didn't have it on. There you go. And then you can use this to actually turn it up and turn it down. You see this little dial here? So that's really neat, right? It also has a clip right here. You can move this clip around and attach this to your hat or to your shirt. So you could do something like this, have it clip on the back and turn this thing on, and then turn it all the way up and clip it to your shirt. It's got a lanyard so you don't drop it, and it comes with a USB-C cable. If you hit this multiple times, so if I turn it off and I hit it twice, I get colored lights, really neat. This is the WUBEN G5. Also has a magnet right there. Really nice, thin flashlight. Really neat top here that you can adjust. Very fancy.